Hello guys, welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we are going to look into exercise 5.1 question 2 bit 3 from chapter 5 called arithmetic progression. So let's see what exactly is given in question number 2 bit 3. Coming to the question, it is given like write first four terms of the arithmetic progression when the first term a and the common difference d are given. And here the given terms, like a given scenario is like a is equal to 4, d is equal to minus 3. So let's see how we can solve this question. Coming to the solution. Let us first note down the question for our easy calculation and see what exactly we need to find out. The question is like a is equal to 4 and d is equal to minus 3. And they very well told us that a is the first term and d is the difference. So we can note down as a1 is equal to 4 because this is the first term given. And d is the common difference, that is equal to minus 3, this is also given. And we need to find out a2, that is the second term, a3, that is the third term, and a4, that is the fourth term. So that means we need to find out a2, a3, a4, taking the help of this a1 and d. Now let's see how we can do this calculation. So a1 is equal to 4. And a2 is equal to a1 plus d. Guys, we very well know that if we add the common difference to the current term, then we will get the next term. This is what we are going to do. So for that reason, I have written a2 is equal to a1 plus d. So current difference is, first term is a1 and the difference is d. For that reason, I am taking a1 plus d. That is equal to 4 plus minus 3. D is the minus 3. So for that reason, I have kept it in the bracket. So that is equal to 4 minus 3. That is equal to 1. Now similarly for a3 is equal to a2 plus d. a2 is 1 that we got in the previous step and d is minus 3. So that means 1 plus minus 3 in the bracket, that is equal to 1 minus 3, that is equal to minus 2. Similarly for the a4 or the fourth term, that is equal to a3 plus d, that is equal to minus 2 that we got in a3 plus and minus 3 in the bracket. So that is equal to minus 2 minus 3, that is equal to minus 5. So what we got now? We got a1 is 4, this is what given, and a2 is 1, a3 is minus 2, a4 is minus 5. So we can note down our observation here now. Therefore, the first four terms of the above generated arithmetic progression are 4, 1, minus 2, minus 5. Guys, this is very easy. If you still have any confusions and concerns, kindly let me know through the comment section. If you really like my videos, kindly subscribe and let your friends know. Thank you. Bye.